Hello learners, now let us see how to solve this given question. Here we are given that minus 1 comma 2 comma alpha are the roots of 2x cube plus x square minus 7x minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, then we have to find out alpha. Fine, this is a pretty simple question, but you have to be a little careful while solving this. This is a given equation. Okay, now first my task is to make sure that the coefficient of x cube is 1. Listen to me carefully. My task is to make sure that the coefficient of x cube is equal to 1. Now how am I going to do this? First let us see what is here. See, I have 2x cube, that means the coefficient of x cube is 2. Coefficient of x cube is 2. Now how can I make sure that the coefficient of x cube is 1? Divide this entire equation with 2. Divide this and divide on both sides by 2. That means each term will get divided by 2 of this equation. See, 2x cube by 2 plus x square by 2 minus 7x by 2 minus 6 by 2 is equal to 0 by 2. Fine. Basic simplification. Now here you see 2 go. So x cube plus x square by 2, right? That I am writing it as half into x square. Okay. Next, this you see minus 7 by 2 x. So I am writing it as plus minus 7 by 2 x, plus of minus 7 by 2 x. It is totally okay. Fine. And 2 1s are 2 3s are. So minus 3 0 by 2 is anyway 0. Fine. Now why I put brackets like this is, you will understand why. Now analyze this equation. If you'll see, the coefficient of x cube is 1 here. See, this is just x cube, right? X cube means 1 into x cube, right? So coefficient of x cube is 1. Now what I am going to do next is, I am going to compare this with x cube plus p1x square plus p2x plus p3. Fine. This sort of like a standard equation. If I'll compare this, now see, x cube is matching. Now beside x square I have p1, beside x square I have 1 by 2. So p1 is 1 by 2. Now here I have p2 and here I have minus 7 by 2. So p2 is minus 7 by 2. See, this is why I kept in brackets so that it will look easy. So see, beside x square there is p1, beside x square 1 by 2, beside x there is p2, beside x there I have minus 7 by 2. Now p3 is minus 3, don't forget the sign. Okay, p3 is minus 3. Fine. Okay, what I am going to get by doing this, see, whenever we compare for this cubic equation, okay, this what we have compared, sum of the roots is minus p1, sum of the roots is minus p1. Likewise we are going to apply the same concept here. Okay, sum of the roots is sigma alpha, which means that it just say it's a notation that to indicate sum of roots is minus p1. Okay, now here it is given that minus 1 2 alpha are the roots of the given equation. Okay, now what we know, sum of roots is minus p1. This is like a formula you can remember for a cubic equation. Okay, like this, sum of roots is minus p1. What are my roots? Minus 1 to alpha. So their sum of the roots means sum of these three is equal to minus p1. So minus 1 plus 2 plus alpha is equal to minus p1. p1 is 1 by 2. So I'd get minus 1 by 2. Okay, again sum of the roots, sum of these three is equal to minus p1 means minus 1 by 2. I hope things are clear. Now basic simplification. So minus 1 plus 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 plus alpha is equal to minus 1 by 2. I need to find out alpha, so just send 1 to the RHS. So I'd get alpha is minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Just take LCM. Okay. Oh, I wrote it as, let's find it anyway. So I wrote it as minus 1 by 2. Now just take LCM. So if you will take LCM, so you get minus 2 minus 1 by 2. So alpha is minus 3 by 2. Okay. That's it. This is what they had asked us to find and we found it. Please check out the description for some further links. And in case you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel if this is your first time coming across it. Also, you can go to the playlist section of my channel to find out some other playlists which could be useful to you. Thank you.